In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera failed or camera not working problem on the Samsung A05. Let's begin. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, use the search bar to find and tap on Camera. Now, tap Force Stop to stop the app. Then, scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Data to reset the camera app. Note, if this method doesn't work, the issue might be hardware related. In that case, visit your nearest Samsung support center for assistance. That's it for the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.